Rangdajied FC bat ka Bengaluru FC ha ka tarik Nailur arhajar arpusau kila Soi Soskular banya treilang ban kyntiew ka ialehkai ki Khynnah bat ki khun Samla ka Jylla kiba Donsap ha ka jingialehkai football ha kane ka Soi Soskular na liang ka Rangdajied FC la Soi du Eugeneson Lyngdoh bat na liang ka Bengaluru FC la Soi du Darren Caldiera ha ka bara sakhi lang de ki Khynnah ialehkai bat ki kmie ki kaba ki Khynnah Haba kren ki lat pathai Khubor udaran ula ong ba ki Khynnah rit badon sap ha ka jingialehkai football ladak de kan thai na shinrang kin yo lat bandit sha Pyntbit yala de ha ka Shillong a jingikai ka Bengaluru FC
We have a jersey to hand over. There will be a small jersey exchange between the two clubs. Thank you so much.
Kumba kalong kajing temu takin kumba ngia sing ya gani ka football school naru pasdang kade kajing temu ka jongi pangi kwa ki Khynnah jongi bakin mi nani na po ka Jylla ka jongi bakin mi laka siapa wangi sutu mengi kum ka Jylla ngimpak la bangin bidang ni Khynnah lesen ono Haba ide ba kajing seo Haba ide adong sedong mangiru mata kum ka klub ru banang mangin temu ha kum nasab senang nya kun ID ru ngim palla nama financially ru ngim palla te kum no ka baka ka jingka jingtu ko jongi kalong bang ki Khynnah la ki bit blank apa kum ka connection ka bangi ni don matangi kane connection mengine ba PC din mata kata ka dawi badan Khynnah blingin penduduk se ai ka jingim juki ada ki don kata ka sap ngin penduduk lai Tabala dan kum kane kalenti te kum bagi oh ki kau aku sampai kin wan chini ke scout Khynnah ki bit nani ngin pa iki stay pa Khynnah ki stay kin dan kin train bat ki stay ki train stay coach ki bit ki biang nakalian juni ni kloi ban pa Khynnah ngimbat kin ki modal standar hadin abut ngi mangi ngapoi ID kala ban pair ya kala ban exchange program ba dalangi lakan ID ni kam Khynnah naki maki ki pa ni kam Khynnah ni pa stay ni pa kalau kata kalian makin tahu macam
This conversation has been in the works for close to a year. We've had multiple discussions, multiple Zoom calls as to how we can get this over the line and what's the right way forward. And for us also as a club, in terms of doing a partnership, we always want to make sure we're doing it with the right people. Eugene has played at the highest level. Khubor has played at the highest level, and sometimes when I look at these young boys, I want you guys also to aspire to get at that level, if not even better. Your dream, your aim should be that you have to be representing Rangdajied, and hopefully with the clear pathway that we have, also wearing the BFC jersey and then representing the national team. If these boys can do it, so can you. And to the parents as well present here, I speak to a lot of parents, even in Bangalore. Every single time the question is my kid good enough? Will he make it? I think all you need to do as well from the parents' perspective is to support your kids. There are times, probably they're not playing enough games or they're upset, but give it time. It's a process. These things take time. Do not get frustrated at, the kids are sometimes 13, 14, 15 or even 17 and 18. All it takes is a good 6 months and you can see a completely different player after that. For us, it's very important to share that knowledge with RUFC because we know also Rangdajied have the kind of same sort of vision and enthusiasm that we have at BFC as well. We have the infrastructure, but we also see that they've got what it takes in terms of the added motivation that's required. And while we always talk about player pathways, I think another aspect is coach development, which is very important for us as well, because your players will only be as good as the coaches can get them to be at that level. And I know in coaches like Ibor and the other staff that is also mentioned here, you're in good hands. And at BFC, we'll make sure we have multiple coach workshops. We have a head of youth who will be visiting as well, and hopefully we can do that session very soon. But rest assured, this partnership is a long-term one, where we want to see the kids grow, the coaches grow, and I want to thank Eugene, Andrew, Ibo, everybody present here, the entire team actually who've made sure this happens, and everybody sitting back home in Bangalore also as excited as you guys sitting here, and we'll make sure this is a very fruitful partnership. Thank you.